Guppy Plastic operations are located in Malaysia and China with sales office in the United States. Guppy Plastic have 3 plants at Cheras, Selangor, HQ, Penang and China, which is fully equipped with state-of-the-art of manufacturing facilities and intensive R&D capabilities to cater the customer diversity demands. For our assignment, we observed Guppy Plastic Penang. Guppy Plastic Penang was established in middle of 1993. Guppy Plastic Penang specialized in electrical, electronics, automotive, semiconductor and industrial products. Our objective is to conduct this assignment is to study the background of the Guppy Plastic Penang and how the elements of its macro environment, which is mean pastel analysis, affect Guppy Plastic Penang. Other than that, we also recommend some improvement that can be made by Guppy Plastic Penang in order to continue succeeding. We also conduct an interview gathering for capture more related information for the best outcome. Guppy Plastic main activity is manufacturing, which include automotive, electrical, electronic, electrical and semiconductor packaging, medical and office equipment, and telecommunication sectors. Guppy Plastic Penang located at 1537 Lorong Perusahaan Utama 3, Kawasan Perusahaan Bukit Tengah, 14000 Bukit Mertajam, Penang. The size of Guppy Plastic Penang is 201 to 500 employees. The operating hours in Guppy Plastic Penang is alternate work schedule, which means it refers to the scheduled hours of the workday during which an employee must be present at work or leave or using credit hours. Guppy Plastic Penang main objective is to understand the demand of the customer based on the northern region, so they can serve them better by providing a fully equipped facility with close proximity. The core value of Guppy Plastic Penang is honesty, integrity, responsibility, respect and loyalty. Industry ownership of Guppy Plastic is Guppy Plastic Selangor is the headquarters, while Guppy Plastic Penang and Tongzhou, China is the branch, while Ekspedisi Emas Sendirian Berhad Selangor is the subsidiary.
Hi, my name is Abaradita. Today I'll be explaining on pastel analysis. Pastel analysis is usually used by companies to analyze the external factors of a company. Mostly whether the company wants to expand the business within or outside the country. Pastel analysis contains 6 factors, which is political factor, economical factor, social factor, technological factor, environmental factor, and lastly, legal factor. So I'll be briefly explaining each factors. So let's look at the political factor. This factor determines the extent to which a government may influence the economy or a certain industry. For example, the political stability of a country, the corruption of a country, foreign trade policies, tax policies, and during this pandemic, the pandemic strategic and policy that the government has implemented has affected a lot of industries and companies. Second factor is economical factor. This factor are determinants of an economic performance that directly or indirectly impacts a company and has a long-term effect. For example, the economic growth, interest rate, inflation, labor costs, consumer spending power, unemployment, national debt, and more. The social factor, it includes the cultural aspect, for example, like population growth, age distribution, culture barrier, consumer view, workforce trend, and lifestyle. Environment factor. This factor includes all those that influence or are determined by the surrounding environment of an company. Nowadays, people are more leaning into eco-friendly products rather than products that can affect the environment or bring pollution. For example, climate change, pollutions, and a company must consider the environmental policies, need of recycling and fighting against wastage, and fight against plastic usage. Technological factor. This factor involves innovation in technology that may affect the operation of the product in the industry and which can be favorable to the market or unfavorable. For example, the emerging technologies in a country, copyrights and patents, the production and distribution that a company use, and research and investment. Lastly is legal factor. This factor have both external and internal sides that can affect a company. There are certain laws that affect the business environment in a certain country, while there are certain policies that companies maintain from themselves. For example, country regulations, employee law, consumer protection law, and tax policies.
The next is how the pestle elements affect the Gabi plastic industry's finance. The first one is political factor. Tax payment in this pandemic has become a burden. Tax payment is an example of a political element that must be taken care of. Gabi plastic industry pays around 17% to 26% in the past years depending on the company's income. But due to the unpredictable situation of the COVID-19, the company has not gained much profit since. So, the tax payment has been a very big burden to the company. Next is lack of the political stability within a country can impact the operation of a business. The constant change in regulation and government has impact the Gabi plastic industry's environment, and the on and off of the movement control and new company regulations has left the company clueless to predict the company's performance in the future. Economy factor. Decrease in production of product. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic from 2019, Gabi Plastic Penang is going through a sharp slowdown and facing reduction in production of the product and could not perform in the export market. Increase in unemployed workers. The company was forced to shut down totally during the MCO 1.0, which has impacted the company production and delayed to meet the customers' needs. Due to that situation, the Gabi Plastic Penang was forced to unemploy the workers because the company could not bear the payment of wages, and the company was forced to lose the skilled workforces. The inflation rate has impacted the demand of the company products. In 2020, the inflation rate has increased, and consequently, this company increased the price in line of inflation, which also could lead to lower level of the brand loyalty. Other than that, social factor. The education level of the workers impact both the quality of the jobs and also the profit. Majority of the employees in Gabi Plastic is foreigners, and they have a low level of education compared to the Malaysian workers. This causes the management to have problems in generating new ideas, and also the level of income of the company will decrease. Technological factor. Technological factors plays an important role in Gabi Plastic Industrial Penang. The competitor's company has better access to current equipment, which is able to produce higher quality product than Gabi Plastic Industries, so that the competitors able to attract customers by using new technology machines and producing quality products that can satisfy the customers' needs. The lack of use of social media in Gabi Plastic Industries affect the company's performance. For an example, the company does not have an official company profile website and does not expose their annual report. This causes customers to have less trust in the company, and they do not get enough information on reviews and rewards of the company. Moreover, they are also not able to attract potential investors into the company.
Moving to the next point, which is environmental factor. The environmental factor can affect many different significant aspects of the business. The environmental segment involves the physical condition within Gabi Plastic Industries Penang. It includes factors such as natural disasters and pollution. Gabi Plastic Industries Penang has to be concerned while giving surplus usable products to the customers. It should not affect the environment and damage the air. The various processes that take place in the manufacturing site must be carried with a lesser impact on the environment. The raw material being used in the production of plastic injection, obviously using plastic, which is the most obvious cause of pollution, that takes the material thousands of years to decompose, and the process of creating a product is involved with many types of machinery that have high carbon dioxide emission. The company is not measuring carbon footprint and following the carbon capping. In contrast, the molding machinery now used in the company has less than 20 to 50% energy compared to years ago. There are many positive environmental aspects to plastic and plastic manufacturing that continue to have a progressive effect on the environment. Next is legal factor. Gabi Plastic Industries Penang should follow the employee and labor health and safety law to ensure the safety of the labor. The ethical and moral obligation of the company is to provide a secure work environment for the workforce. Guppy Plastic Industries fail to provide a healthy working environment for their workers. For example, the company operating hours is from 7 a.m. is 7 p.m., which is 12 hours. An employee are working non-stop for 12 hours, continuous hours. The workers are not provided with chairs, which means they have to stand and not allowed to take breaks while working. At the same time, workers who work near to the machine are facing ear problems in the future due to the noise created from the machines. The workers also have high chances to be struck and injured by moving parts of the machinery or ejected material. Employment law is the area of law that governs the employee and the employee relationship. For employees, this law works to prevent discrimination, establish a minimum required level for economic support and more.
Improvements that can be made by Guppy Plastic in managing the microenvironment effectively using pastel model. Firstly, the political factors, which refers to the government policy. The political environment analysis will identify changes in the position politicians take on issues. Their perspective most often focuses on businesses' interactions with government, on efforts to minimize government and reduce the costs and burdens on private business and the general economy associated with government taxes, regulations, and policies. Guppy Plastic should also try to maximize the benefits such as favorable tax credit. Secondly, economic factors. Guppy Plastic should prepare themselves to face that kind of problem in the future by selling more products globally, because that will help them to gain more income by selling products to countries which have higher demand of their products. Guppy Plastic Industries should also have to add a lot of investment in order to increase their sustainability during a complication if the economy is going down. If the company invests, they will have the preparation to launch the new products if the economy is starting to grow again, as any scenario can be a threat to one firm and an opportunity to another. Friendly co-workers and supportive employer also will give them the good opportunity to grow rapidly. Workers are able to learn many aspects of work and good for their career development. Guppy Plastic supposed to be a good employer or leadership that understand an employees at the heart or good in situation, as it is going to be a very well working environment and experience. Besides, the employees can improve their communication skills through, for example, they can implement many ideas as they are contribution to the company as well. Next is the technological. New technology creates new products and new processes in market opportunities. Guppy Plastic products line must be meeting with the new technology demand of their customers, because the more they can recognize and employ the latest advancements in technology, the more successful they will be in continuing to keep existing customers, entering new markets, and also building their business. Guppy Plastic should also make more advertisement to promote and introduce their products to the public, or should add more activities that can include the company and also the public, so that their products will be known by the public. Besides the environmental factor, which includes the weather and climate change, with major climate changes occurring due to global warming and with a greater environmental awareness, these external factors are becoming a significant issue for Guppy Plastic. They should refer to the availability of non-renewable goods, which can vastly change the market, as the supply of these goods should drop as is currently happening. Prices might grow higher and will greatly affecting businesses that use the fuels in any significant amounts, like Guppy Plastic Industrial or logistical ones. They should also examine the firm's external situation with respect to the natural environment, including pollution, natural resource availability, and preservation, and alternative energy as well. Lastly, the legal factor. Guppy Plastic should prioritize their employees' working conditions. For example, their employees receive protection from dangerous machines. Their employees should have a reasonable temperature at their workplaces, or the employees are to have enough breaking periods while working. At the workplace, their employees should also be given clothing and equipment that meet the highest safety standards as for the sake of the employees. Gapi Plastic Industries Penang may provide the operators with the necessary information, instruction, training, supervision, and appropriate safety equipment.
In conclusion to this assignment, we have observed the pastel analysis on Gapi Plastic Industry Penang Sdn Bhd. This pastel analysis is used by the company to analyze and monitor the macro environment factor that have an impact on the organization. It is an important business tool that shape the business environment and help to determine the steps that the management should take in starting up or conducting the business. From the political factor to the legal, each of these categories has a wide range of variables that influence the strategic decision-making process of the business. This analysis shows the different opportunities and threats that might occur in the external environment.